le chemin.
Count me out of anything that has to do with flat tummy. You understand? I'm not a member of that committee. I will never be a member of that committee. The tummy was never meant to be flat. You understand? I'm not a snake. It has never mattered in heaven, and it will not matter.
Look at what food has cost now. And Tinubu did not know this. There are people that want to kill themselves because of pot of rice and yam. Is it not because of food they are attacking you?
It's because of food.
You are no more giving them food.
Yes, they say that they will carry their dead body that is not my own to where I come from.
What is your name?
My name is Chidimma Okafo.
Can I fetch Mama?
Mama Chisenderem.